Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay. Now we are going to discuss a trigonometric related chapter, submultiple angle. The problem is sin square 39 degree minus sin square 21 degree into sin square 57 degree minus sin square 3 degree equal to 3 by 16. Okay, as we know that the formula of sin square a minus sin square b equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. They are applying this formula into this one, obviously left hand side. Into left hand side we get sin 39 degree plus 21 degree into sin 39 degree minus 21 degree into sin 57 degree plus 3 degree into sin 57 degree minus 3 degree. Okay. Sin 60 degree into sin 18 degree, sin 60 degree into sin 54 degree. Okay, sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square, sin 60 sin 60, sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4, and that of sin 54 degree it can be written as sin 90 minus 36, that will be cos 36. Cos 36 means root 5 plus 1 by 4, therefore it will be root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4 a square minus b square, 5 minus 1 by 16. Therefore 3 by 4 into finally 1 by 4, 3 by 16. Very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.